Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now on the last chain from a hook I'll make 2 double crochet. Now I will chain 2, then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around and then I'll chain 8. Now that we have chained 8, on the 6th chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll chain 7. Then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 5. Then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 2, then right here through this 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now I will chain 3, then right here through this last double crochet chain I will make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around. Now through these next 3 chains I will make a slip stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. And now I will chain 3. Then right here through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. And this is row 3. I'll chain 2. And through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 8. Now through the 6th chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'll chain 7. Then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 5. Then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. So I'm going to show you something, guys. You see here in this first leaf I've actually made slip stitches through the same chain, and look how it looks. It looks like too wide. The loop looks very big. So here in the second one I actually made it different, so let me just show you again. So instead of making slip stitches through the same chain, I went through this loop, actually not through that chain but through the entire loop. See? And then the loop gets invisible. Now I'll chain 5, then through that same loop I'll make a slip stitch. Quite a big difference. Now I'll chain 2, Then through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now I'll chain 3, then right here through this third double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5 I'll turn my work around, then through his next 3 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Now it's the beginning of row 5. So here for the pattern we need to repeat rows 3 and 4. So remember, for the pattern repeat rows 3 and 4. Now for row 5 I'll repeat row 3, so I'll chain 3, then through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6 I'll repeat row 4. So I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 8. Now through the 6th chain from my hook I'll make a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll chain 7. Then through that loop, not where we made the last slip stitch, but the loop that was created from the last slip stitch. So right here through this loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 5, then through the same loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 2, then through his last 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through this third double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 6. And we repeat rows 3 and 4. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.